this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Netflix account. So if you wish to change your password, or if you had forgotten your password, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. So if your intention is just to change your password, then go ahead and make sure first you sign out of Netflix. Now from here, go ahead and click on sign in. And here you'll have to enter your email or your mobile number. So I'll enter my email and click on continue. Now I don't want to use codes, I want to use a password, so I'll click on try another way, and here I'll have to enter my password. So because I want to change my password, I'll not enter my password, but instead I'll go ahead and click on get help and use this option called forgot password. So if you click on forgot password, you'll have to choose whether the reset should be done using your email or phone number if you had added it. By doing so, a code will be sent on your email or your phone number, via which you'll be able to enter as the password, and then you'll have an option to set a new password. So that's how you can change your password on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.